Hey guys, welcome to your daily Phrasal Verbs bootcamp. 10 phrasal verbs plus 3 real-life dialogues plus interactive shadowing that will make you understand them, remember them, and use them confidently. Grab your notebooks and let's master these natural expressions together.
Pack into. To put something into a space and make it fit tightly. It's like filling a box with things until there's no more room left.
Can you help me pack all the snacks into the cooler? It's getting full.
Sure, but we need to squeeze them in. Let me try to pack them into the corners.
How did you pack so many books into your backpack? It looks heavy.
I folded the notebooks and packed them into the front pocket to save space.
We have to pack the client meeting into the morning slot. The afternoon is booked.
Got it. I'll pack it into the 10 a.m. time frame right after the team briefing.
Fit in with. To become part of a group and be accepted. It means you adapt to the people around you and feel comfortable.
I'm nervous about joining the study group. Do you think I'll fit in with everyone?
Totally. They're super friendly. Just be yourself and you'll fit in fine.
Can we fit the client call in with a team meeting? I have a dentist appointment at 3 p.m.
Let me check. Yeah, if we shorten lunch, we can fit it in around 2:30.
Do these green cushions fit in with the blue sofa? The colors feel a bit off.
Maybe try the yellow ones instead. They'd fit in with the room's vibe better.
Gang up on. To join together with others to attack or bully someone. It is when a group of people team up against one person.
Why did you guys gang up on me during the soccer game? It was 3 against 1.
Sorry, we just wanted to win. You're too good alone.
Mom, Dad, and my sister ganged up on me about cleaning my room again. It's not fair.
Maybe if you cleaned it once a week, they wouldn't gang up on you.
The design team totally ganged up on me in the meeting. They all said my idea was too risky.
Don't take it personally. They gang up on anyone who suggests changes.
Look down on. To think someone is less important or not as good as you. It when you think you're better than someone else.
I heard the manager always looks down on interns. Is that true?
Yeah, he acts like they're invisible. It's rude to look down on people just because they're new.
Why does Grandma look down on my job as a photographer? She keeps saying it's not real work.
Her generation values stable jobs. Try explaining how creative your work is. She might stop looking down on it.
Did you notice Sarah looks down on anyone who shops at discount stores? It's so judgmental.
I know. Just because she buys designer stuff doesn't mean she can look down on others' choices.
Ask after. To ask about someone's health or well-being. It's like showing care or concern for someone.
I ran into Lisa yesterday and she asked after you. Wanted to know how your new job's going.
Ah, that's sweet. Tell her I'll ask after her kids next time we meet. How's her cafe doing?
Your grandma asked after your health at the market. Said you looked tired last week.
Oh, I've just been pulling late shifts. Please ask after her back pain for me when you see her.
The client asked after the project manager today. Should we update them on the delay?
Definitely. And make sure to ask after their CEO. I heard she's recovering from surgery.
Wear down. To become tired or weaker because of continuous pressure or stress. It's when something gradually exhausts you.
Mom, can I please get the robot dinosaur? I'll do chores for a month.
Stop trying to wear me down. We agreed no toys until your birthday.
My knees are killing me. I think the daily runs are wearing down my joints.
Take a rest week. Even athletes get worn down by overtraining.
A client keeps rejecting our offers. How do we close this deal?
Play the long game. Wear them down with patience. They'll cave eventually.
Spill out of. To overflow from a space, like when something pours out because it doesn't fit anymore.
Why is juice spilling out of the blender? Did you overload it?
Oops! The lid wasn't locked. Quick, grab a towel before it spills out onto the floor.
How's the exit? I don't want to get stuck in the crowd.
People are literally spilling out of the gates. Let's wait until the rush dies down. Your pens keep spilling out of your backpack. Can't you zip it properly?
I tried. This bag's too small. My stuff spills out every time I bend over.
Watch over. To take care of or protect someone or something. It's when you keep an eye on someone to make sure they're safe.
Can you watch over my kids while I run to the pharmacy? They're just watching cartoons.
Sure, but if they ask for snacks, do I let them have the cookies?
Just watch over the cookie jar. They'll empty it in 5 minutes.
I'm nervous about leaving my cat. Will the sitter really watch over her medicine schedule?
Relax, I met her. She even watched over a diabetic dog last month. Super careful.
The boss wants me to watch over the new intern's code. What if I miss a bug?
Just watch over the main framework. Let her handle details. That's how we learn.
Turn on. To start or activate something, or to suddenly attack someone.
Can you turn on the AC? It's like a sauna in here.
If I turn it on, Mom will yell about the electricity bill again. Grab a fan instead.
Why did Jake suddenly turn on you at the party? You two were cool last week.
No idea. He turned on me just because I joked about his new haircut. So sensitive.
How does this band turn on the crowd so fast? The energy went wild in seconds.
The guitarist turns on his solo and bam, everyone's screaming. Pure magic.
Butter up. To praise someone to get something from them. It's when you flatter someone to make them like you more or give you a favor.
Did you hear Tom got the promotion?
Yeah, I think he buttered up the boss to get it.
She always gives compliments to the teacher. Do you think she's trying to butter him up?
Maybe she wants a good grade in the class.
Why is he so nice to Ginny lately?
Oh, he's definitely buttering her up before asking for a favor.
Pack into. We packed into the tiny car, laughing all the way to the beach. Fit in with. Her union dress didn't fit in with the office dress code. Gang up on. The kittens ganged up on the vacuum cleaner bravely. Look down on. Never look down on street food. It's where magic happens. Ask after. My mom always asks after you. She misses your cookies. Wear down. Years of wind wore down the sharp edges of the rocks. Spill out of. Coffee spilled out of my cup when I saw his ridiculous tie. Watch over. The old lighthouse watches over the stormy sea every night. Turn on. He suddenly turned on his charm when the boss walked in. Butter up. I buttered up my roommate with pizza to borrow her car. Congratulations, you've completed today's study. Now it's your turn. Use any 3 phrasal verbs from the comments section to make sentences. You can do it.